How to fix Telegram unable to send SMS. In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram unable to send SMS. The first step is to open the Telegram app just like I have done here. After that, tap the settings icon. It is this icon with the gear symbol at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings of the application as you can see. Once you are here, you will see all the settings of your account that you can use to make changes to the app. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there are other options. From the options, tap on this one here named Ask a Question. You will this pop-up screen that wants you to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap here, OK. You will land in the inbox of this support bot. Tap on this option here named Start to begin the process. After that, you will see all these sections that are shortcuts you can use to find solutions quickly. Ignore them and tap here, skip, and proceed to volunteers. After that, you will see these two sections again telling you how to find a solution. What we want is to contact the support team directly. So, tap here, yes, redirect me. Finally, we can send the support team a message. Type here a short message explaining to them the issue you are facing and ask them to fix it for you. Make sure you have explained to them clearly. After that, tap on this send button and your message will be sent to the Telegram support team. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. After that, exit the Telegram application and open the settings of your phone. Next, scroll down and look for a section named General. Here it is, tap on it. Next, tap on this other option here found on the General page named iPhone Storage. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, you will see all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the apps and look for Telegram from the list of apps. Here it is, tap on it. You will land on this app info page where there are two options. One is Delete App, the other is Offload App. Tap on this one named Offload App. This will delete corrupt files and install new updates. When the offloading process is done, tap here, Reinstall App, and your app will be installed again. That is how to fix Telegram unable to send SMS.